Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the heater blower motor from a Peugeot 4007. This is a fairly easy DIY job and I believe anyone can do this at home, and without further ado, let's get into our main tutorial. Now, beneath the glove box we have our heater blower motor. We will detach the plug for the blower motor, and next we have 3 Phillips screws. Once you take these out, this will be completely off the vehicle, and surprisingly this vehicle is probably the easiest to work on to remove the heater blower motor, so I believe anyone can really do this at home. I hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.